Hi, today I want to make a circuit that will help me detect when a tank is full. So for that I'm going to use this sensor called float switch. So you will find this in water purifiers and some other applications. Like how this works is, so think of this as a switch. So when this circular ring stays here, the switch is on, and when it goes up the switch is off. So let me show you how that plays. I'll put my multimeter in continuity mode and we will see. So it's a short circuit. So now let's just see. See, when it's below on, off, on, off, on, off. So when tank is full, when water is above nearly top, so it will just rise up along with the water and the switch goes off. Now we can use this characteristic of this sensor to create a circuit to help us warn when the water is full or when the tank is full. So here I made an example circuit on the breadboard. So this is an LM339, a quad comparator IC, and I connected the float switch, one end to 12 volt source and other end to inverting input of the quad comparator, and non-inverting input to ground. So see here, now I push this ring slowly here to this one. LED is on, off, on, off, on. So when water level rises, together this will also rise. Now this will give us an indicator warning. This is the circuit. So this is how it works. So positive power supply, one end of this goes to one end of the float switch or one wire, and another wire is connected to inverting input or minus. This is just a pull down resistor. It doesn't matter whether you put it or not. It's fine. It's not going to draw any current. This is also not really necessary. Positive input or non-inverting input is connected to ground. In LM339 it's a open collector type, so it pulls towards the ground output. So output pin must be pulled high. So here positive power supply 12 volt LED and pull. So whenever this output is high, this will pull to ground and LED will turn on.